Hi, I'm Larry Richardson, your step-by-step chef. In this quick hit episode, we are going to make a chicken sandwich very similar to one made by Chick-fil-A. It's not exact. My bun's a little bit different. Go figure. But we are doing this plant-based cooking because it will help cut back on the release of greenhouse gases that are causing global warming and climate change. We're also doing it because it's downright delicious. So come on, let's cook. And here are the ingredients for our Chick-fil-A-ish plant-based chicken sandwich. Now, first of all, I do have the plant-based chicken patties, and a number of different companies are making these, so try to find the one that is most appealing to you. This one tastes good baked or right out of the microwave, and that's why I'm calling this episode a quick hit episode, because we're going to nuke it, make a quick sandwich, and get on with it. The other ingredients we're going to use is between 1 and 2 tablespoons of mayo, depending on how you like it, and as many of these hamburger dill chips as you like. We also have a bun, and I used a bun that's kind of like an everything bun with some seasoning to it, and I already toasted that. So let me show you how to put all this together. Okay, so here is the microwave all ready. The microwave is all preheated for the preparation of our chicken patty. Now, I want to make it clear, I do not cook in the microwave in all 225 plus episodes of the Step-by-Step Chef. You rarely see this, but in the case of this quick hit chicken sandwich, I'm willing to show it. So the chicken goes in. I start it for the indicated amount of time. And the chicken has landed. That took about 90 seconds. And here we are back at the sandwich bar. Let's add our mayo to taste. Add more or less, however much you want. I'm not going to tell you how much mayo is good and how much mayo is bad. You want to like the sandwich is what it comes down to. Oh, this bun came out really crusty. Okay, that'll do it for me. And here's our chicken patty. Make sure that's the bottom. Okay. Here's our hot chicken patty. And here comes our pickles. Now, you can also add tomatoes, lettuce, onion, whatever you want to the sandwich. I'm trying to make the classic, quick, Chick-fil-A-ish plant-based chicken sandwich. And I actually really do love pickles. And that's it. You got your sandwich. So congratulations, look at what you just did. You just made this delicious Chick-fil-A-ish plant-based chicken sandwich. It only took a matter of minutes to get this done, and it really does taste good. You gotta trust me on this. You just have to pick the right chicken patty. The other thing I want you to know is not all the recipes I make plant-based are this easy. They don't just take 90 seconds, but they all taste good. So if you like this recipe, please go to my website, stepbystepchef.com. There you will find a printable version of this recipe and well over 225 other recipes. Some are plant-based, some are animal-based, and some of them have no meat at all. Now, the reason I am doing the plant-based series is we need to cut back on the release of fossil fuels. We need to use less energy, and agriculture uses a lot of energy. So the more plant-based we can eat, the less energy, the less fossil fuels, the less greenhouse gas releases, and the less climate change and global warming. Wow, I can't believe I got that out this time. So we can all pitch in, and this is one of the ways we can do it. And it's delicious, don't forget that. So my name's Larry Richardson, I am your step-by-step chef, and I'll see you in the next episode.